Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix mobile network not available problem. So guys, basically it's appear when you want to call someone. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, what you have to do is just simply open settings in your phone, and after that you have to tap on SIM card and mobile network, and after that tap on add SIM, and after that make sure this toggle is on. If it's off, then turn it on, and then scroll a bit, and here you can see roaming. So you make sure that this toggle is also turned on. If it is not, then turn it on, and then tap on preferred network type, and then check on 3G 4G auto, and then tap on choose network, and make sure that this toggle is also turned on. If it is, then what you have to do is just go back and then tap on access point names, and then tap on three dots here, and at the end you have to tap on reset to default. Now your setting is reset and your problem will be fixed. So that's it guys for today video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.